I don't think it's going to be the same, Jerry. He's tired. His tail turned into a rat's tail.
Why is he biting my ankles? Come on, an ankle biter. Come on.
Jack, you gotta get in there too.
Oh, new toy. Water. Up. Smash. Okay, maybe I'll start digging. I don't know what to do. I think I'll come out.
Come on, River, let's get in that pool.
He says he likes this pool better than his own. Come on, River. Look it.
There you go. Wow, it's so much easier for him this week than it was last week. He didn't struggle getting over the top. Whoa! But he neutered himself again getting out. River! River! Emma's in the pool. Come on, River. Emma's in the pool. River!
Has Jack ever got in the pool?
Now get in it.
I think we need to get a bigger pool now.
Yeah,
He doesn't like that little
we need a
dinky
bigger
pool.
house.
No, well, this would fit there.
Well, you know, Hal, maybe you need two pools.
Don't pee in the pool, River. Come in and play with me, Emma. Play with me in the pool. Okay, he runs around in circles out in our front, too. He goes behind all the bushes, and then he runs in the house, through the house, goes out the back, comes in again. Emma, Emma, Emma.
I would like to go in because it's like
Come on, play with me, play with me.
Right. Let him get in now.
That's unbelievable.
He couldn't remember. He couldn't do that at all last week. Right.
It's like he's grown up.
Right. He's
Oh, but-
taller.
Wait till
Really,
next week.
He's a lot taller. We were noticing that yesterday. He's a lot taller.
Well, next week he'll be grabbing the pool and pulling it.
Right. Right.
oh, me.
He said, I just learned that, Lee. And he was on the stairs and everything.
Uh-oh,
There he goes.
now here we go in the circles.
Oh, nobody's playing with me, he says. Somebody.
She's cooling off.
And so are we.
Yeah.
Don't touch my ears.
I think that was him.
Yeah, I think it was him too.
Go on, Jack.
They just kind
No,
of
Jack
crashed
won't
into
go.
each other.
Yeah.
Try to get him to go in,
He
Jerry. He
hates
wants to go
water.
in.
But I hate the water.
He wants to go in. He wants...
No, look at, did you see? He was like, I got wet. I'm getting wet.
Have you tried to get Jack?
We've had him not quite 3 weeks. Dad got a shower. But sometimes we don't quite make it in.
We're trying. He falls in, falls out.
He's getting pretty leggy. My baby is growing up. It'd be cute if he would be this size for about a year, but not with this